guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's me again, Marissa. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well and keeping safe and keeping everyone safe. I am so excited because I'm here for a haul. Yay, yay, yay. I bought this off of Facebook Live that my friend Bernice, hi Bernice, she's Added Touch. She has a page in Facebook and she has sales going on between 50 to 75% off. I think I bought most of his products here mostly at 75% off. They're older products, but they're still new in packaging. She hasn't, she obviously hasn't used them. They're not open. Anyway, I'd like to show you what I got from her one sale last week. It's gonna share with you what they are. Okay, so let's start with this fancy dice. So I didn't realize I had two of this. So you guys, I'm gonna give one of this to one lucky subscriber. All you have to say in the comment below is subscribed. That's it. Just say subscribe and I will, and then I will pick a winner. Let's give this a week, okay? On Monday, I will give out the winner. So just say subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, just subscribe. That's easy as that. And then we'll pick a winner from there. That's all you need to do. Anyway, so I have two, one for the lucky subscriber and one for me. The next item is this Gemini die, and this is a flourishing ivy, and it's really cute, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry for the glare if there is any, but there's the card that you can make. There is the actual die, but it is an A2 die, and this won't fit in the marquee, I don't think. Oh no, it will fit. Oh yes, it will fit. Yay! So I can use this with the to cut it with the marquee. The next one is this Cricut Cuttlebug. It's the Grace Medallion. I don't know if you can see. I just wanted to make sure that the glare doesn't get to you guys. But you'll see my iPad right there. Anyway, this is what the die looks like. Those are the items that you can make, or that are samples of the items that you can make. So there you go, guys. This one is a Tim Holtz Stinlets, and I'm just taking her stickies out of here. And let's see what it looks like in here. Oh, I thought they were going to be bigger dice. And this one escaped. And it looks like this one is for the holly. I mean the berries for the holly. Here we go. There's supposed to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the tail of the ribbon. And of course the ribbon. How cute! You can make, this is the obviously snowflake, and this is the wreath. Cute, cute, cute. Alright. Putting them back. Okay, the next one is this cutting template. It's a gable box, right? So you have to cut 2 of this. So cute. So I think I only paid for $6.50 for this. Not bad, huh? Oh, I should have known. Oh, I took them all out already. Sorry. One of them was 20, and I think I paid 5. Another 20 that I paid 5. Another 20 that I paid 5. Let's see how much. So 20, I'm sure, assuming these are all the 3 that are $20 each, that I paid $5 for. And it looks like I paid $5 for this. It's $16. So yay! So that's that. And then this is a $20 die. That's what it looks like. Sorry for the glare. And it looks like I paid $5 for it. And that's what the die looks like. The die cut would look like, I should say. How cute are the projects that you could use it with. And then of course you can wrap around on a pillow box. Anyway, this is oh my gosh. This is one of the Thinglits cards, and I love how cute this is. It says, kiss me. And this is what the card would look like. And this was 20, I paid 5. So I guess I'll have to cut 2 times of this and then all these other pieces right here. Not bad, guys, huh? For $5. This is so cute. This is a $30 die, and it's a bag topper. How cute! I love it. I love it. And I don't know how many pieces. 12 dice in it. And it was 30, and I paid $7.50 for it. Guys, not bad, right? Oh my gosh, I scored. Basically, I paid $52 for all this. So I don't know. I still think whatever it is, it's still a steal for the prices. Okay, we have some dice that are, you know, have escaped again. So this is the die. This is the actual topper. Oh, this is such a good size. I thought it was going to be like at least, you know, maybe half of the size. I didn't realize it's this big. But this is still cool, guys. Look at that. And for $7.50, you guys, you gotta go to Added Touch and look at her schedule of when she's gonna have her live sales again in Facebook. So I'll just have to figure out what this is. I am assuming this is this pattern paper up here, this flower pattern paper. This, of course, is the base, and then these are the different flowers right here, and the centers. How cute! And then you have a word die here that says celebrate. This one says you. This one says party. And then more of our flowers and the centers. Oh my gosh, you guys, I scored, don't you think so? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, there's 2 more here. This one says thanks. Oh, good. This is thank you. Okay. And then you have the leaves here. How cool. I'm going to put this away. But anyway, you guys, it is a short video, and thank you for watching. And again, if you like to see what my friend Bernice has at Added Touch, go check out her Facebook page and look at the schedules of when she has her sales, her Facebook sales, and just, you know, jump on it, because these are really good deals, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. You guys are awesome. Do not forget my giveaway, my little die giveaway, because I had a double here, and I will give this, guys, to the lucky subscriber that says subscribe at the bottom in the comment section below. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you guys later. Bye.